There's a lot of concern about the environment these days. But is concern enough? Shouldn't we start doing something about it too? Well, we at Chlorophyll decided that we are going to. After all, actions speak louder than words. And we get started right at the planning stage. Chlorophyll green homes are designed in such a way that they allow plentiful daylight and a free-flowing breeze. This helps save on both lighting as well as cooling. Reflective exterior paint and energy-efficient windows further increase this benefit. The gardens abound with indigenous trees that are suited perfectly for the surrounding ecosystem. They not only attract several native species of birds, but also reduce the temperature. Additionally, use of renewable energy sources like photovoltaic panels, eco-friendly material, reduce electricity consumption by up to 30%. Rainwater is harvested and used to recharge the groundwater, while wastewater is treated and reused for irrigation and flushing. This decreases the consumption of potable water. Organic waste is composted and used as manure, while dry waste is segregated and recycled. Together, these measures result in a healthy and productive environment for home dwellers. We've done our part to promote a sustainable lifestyle. Now we await your presence to make the houses homes.